Remember, folks, carbon monoxide gas is a silent killer. You can't see it, smell it, or taste it. But this device, it could save your life. If you are a homeowner, a real estate investor, or a renter, you'll want to stick around. Let me show you how to install it. First things first, although you don't need one of these in every room like you do with a smoke detector, you do need a monoxide detector on every floor. This includes a basement, the main level, and any upstairs. When you buy one like this, installing it is very simple. Out of the box, all you have is the mounting plate, some drywall anchors, some screws, and the detector itself. That's it. Before installing, let's remove the old one. Whether it's a battery-powered or a 10-year battery-sealed unit, the process is similar. All you have to do is rotate the main cover counterclockwise to remove it. Loosen the screws with a drill or a screwdriver and remove the plate. This one, though, was unusual. It was mounted to a light box instead of a drywall or a stud. Weird, but not a problem. We'll work with it. Next, grab the new plate, feed the screws through the holes, and tighten them so that the plate is secure. If you don't have studs, use drywall anchors. But if you do have them, go ahead and use some wood screws to get the job done. In my case, I used the same screws I removed earlier to tighten the plate to the light box. Prior to attaching the new detector, let's be sure that we turn it on. Most units will have a screw that you can use a flathead screwdriver to rotate to activate. Be sure that you listen for a beep. If you don't hear one, it means it's not activated. Once it's on, take the detector and rotate it clockwise on the plate to lock it in place. Press the test button and make sure it cycles through all those loud beeps. Each one of those will mean something different, so be sure to read the manual to recognize and distinguish the beeping patterns between smoke, carbon monoxide, and a low battery. But we are not done yet. Don't just toss the old one. It's important to also disable it properly. If yours has batteries in it, just remove them. But if, like mine, yours has a sealed battery, you may need to remove the label on the back to expose the screw that you can then rotate to deactivate. And that's all there is to protecting yourself and others against carbon monoxide. If this helped, please like the video, follow me, and subscribe to my channel for more DIY do-it-yourself repairs, maintenance, and renovation projects that save you money, no matter if you're a homeowner, investor, or renter.